Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel a standard bank credit card. Canceling standard bank credit card can be done in just a couple of steps. So make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then type in standardbank.co.za and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Standard Bank, which looks like this. Go to the upper right corner and click on the Contact Us button. Now, from the Contact Us tab, you will be able to get familiar with phone numbers for different criterias. Go to Lost or Stolen Cards option and then call on to the particular number displayed on the screen. If you are residing in South Africa, make sure to call on this number. If you are an international customer, make sure to select the international number and make a phone call and speak to a customer service representative. Before you contact the customer service representative, make sure you've paid off your entire credit balance and redeemed any reward points. State that you would want to cancel your credit card with the customer service representative and then prepare to answer a security question to verify yourself. After you complete through the cancellation process with the guidance from the support team, you will then be able to cancel your credit card for Standard Bank. So that is how it can be accomplished. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.